Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on starting and stopping. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of starting and stopping while driving an automatic car. Now let's get right to it. We're going to start off by talking about starting, which is involving the brake pedal and the gas pedal, and then I'll talk about stopping. So first and foremost, I'll explain it, then I'll demonstrate it. When you are starting, you're going to have your foot on the brake pedal when you shift the car into drive. When you shift the car into drive, you're going to release your foot from the brake pedal when it's safe to start moving. Then you're going to press the gas pedal. Now, you're not going to want to floor the gas pedal, and you're not going to want to sort of jolt it. You're just going to want to smoothly press it and hold your foot in a position in which you are happy with the acceleration. So basically, you're going to start like this. You're going to just press it and then hold your foot in that position when you're happy with the acceleration. So let's go and actually demonstrate it for you. What I'm going to do is I'm putting my foot on the brake. I'm going to shift into drive, release the parking brake, and now we're ready to actually start. So I'm just going to wait until the road is clear to begin. Now I'm steering with my left hand. So you'll see I'm releasing my foot from the brake. I'm just pushing the gas, and smoothly now the car is moving, and I'm holding my foot there. As you can see, the car is moving at a decent pace. I'm happy with this acceleration. Now when it's time to stop, I'm going to release my foot from the gas pedal. I'm going to push the brake, and I'm just going to start depressing the pedal a little bit, and then I'm going to press it down to come to a complete stop. So the key is when you're pressing the brake pedal, and as you can see, I've stopped moving right now. When you're pressing the brake pedal, you want to begin to press it and press it a little bit more until you're happy with the braking power, and then hold your foot there and the car will come to a stop. Once the car has come to a stop, you can then push the brake pedal a little bit harder to make sure that you're braking at the power that you need to be braking at. So I'll do it one more time, and I won't show you the road this time. I'll just show you my foot. So right now, gonna release and push the gas pedal, and now I'm accelerating just like this. I'm just barely pressing it, and this is the acceleration that I want. Now I'm ready to brake. I switch over to the brake pedal, I push it in a little bit, and I hold it here. I'm holding it in the same position, and then the car's come to a stop. So now what I'll do is I'll show you the road. Okay, so take a look right here. Foot off the brake, pressing the gas, accelerating just like that. Okay, when I want to brake, start pressing the brake pedal now just a bit, and I'm holding my foot there until the car comes to a stop. And as you can see, the car's come to a stop. It's actually a really simple process. I'm just going to put the car in park. And basically, you only have two pedals that you use. The gas pedal is used to start getting the car moving, to get the car started. And if you want to do it smoothly, you want to press the gas pedal slightly and just hold your foot there. So once again, you want to just press it slightly and hold your foot in that position. You don't want to press it down hard, because then you're going to jolt forward and you're going to have a lot of acceleration. You want to just basically press it just like this. I'll show you like this from a side view, okay? This is how I would accelerate. Just like that. So as you can see, literally, that's the only amount that I'm pressing it down. Just like that. That little bit right there. Just like that. Just like that. And I'm not moving anywhere because I'm in park right now. And when I press the brake, usually if I'm going at a slow speed, I'm just pressing it about that amount. If I was going faster, I would press it, that amount. And that will usually bring it to a stop. Now, it's important to note that when you are braking and bringing your car to a stop, press the brake as hard as you need to press it in order to stop safely. Don't, almost get into an accident or not stop on time because you're trying to press the brake just easily. Press the brake as hard as you need to press it. But I'm just telling you that if you're estimating your braking distance properly, you'll only need to press it down only a decent amount. You won't need to mash the brake like that unless you're in an emergency situation. But above all means, above everything else, you need to just press the brake as much as you need to press it in order to safely come to a stop. That conquers everything else that I talked about in this video, okay? I just wanted to say that, okay? And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over starting and stopping. It has been a quick driving lesson, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.